Oh, look at this. Go in there. Landing challenge.
Wow!
Wow. This is so cool. Touch that stick.
Move the stick forward to step through the skill level.
Stop. That's okay. Ready, set, go. Let's go get our stuff. Come on. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends. My name is Thalia.
Today, we're at the Intrepid Sea, Air, and Space Museum. Slumber party for girls only.
Amazing!
So we're here with Mommy. Hi. So we're gonna go get something to eat now because we're hungry. Come on, let's go.
My too.
The hangar deck information. Restrooms, exhibit, classroom. Okay, so let's go to the food service.
Food.
Yes, because we are hungry. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the food service. Oh, good.
Can I have a chip piece?
Yes, let's see what we're gonna have. Hi. Oh, we start over here, Mama.
Can I have a chip piece?
Yes, we finish over there. Okay, come on. Let's get some.
This is cabbage.
Yes, but let's grab for this.
Carrot. No, this one. Lettuce.
Yes, cucumber, right? Cucumber. I know you love cucumbers. And more cucumbers?
Yeah, more.
Okay.
You?
There you go.
You?
Yes, I'm gonna grab right now. Hold on. Okay.
I like these. Look. This one.
Yeah, you like that?
I'm done.
Huh?
I'm done. Can you come upstairs?
Done? One. And today is Operation Slumber Party, and it's only for girls. Oh yeah. Exactly. And now let's go to our hangar deck, right? This is where we're going to be sleeping.
Yeah. And then people see.
Let's go over here. Let's show our friends where we're going to be sleeping
This one.
in the museum. So this is our beds, right? And this is the view deck 1, right? And it says here, this view deck overlooks Intrepid's hangar deck. When Intrepid was in service, aircraft were stored and serviced here. Hangar Bay 1 was primarily used for aircraft storage, while Hangar Bay 2, seen on your right, was used for light maintenance work as well as storage. Okay, smile. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Strike a pose. I hope you like this video and give a big thumbs up. And then we're gonna say hi. All right, let's see where our tour is going to be held.
Let's
Okay.
go downstairs.
Let's go downstairs. Look, this is the landing of Intrepid.
Unforgettable.
Oh, let's go figure out what the name meant, right? Landing system. This is the landing system.
I'm gonna leave this.
Now look what it says here. What does Intrepid mean? It says, when naming new ships, the Secretary of the Navy often honors earlier vessels with distinguished service records. For ships in the U.S. Navy have been named Intrepid, which means courageous or fearless. Did you know that that's what it was called?
And it was
Say courageous
courageous.
and fearless.
Okay.
Yes. Hi, I have an 8 o'clock tour. Where is that?
You're just gonna start right here.
Look, it says here, this is a scaled replica made of Lego bricks. Wow.
I want pajamas.
Of the USS Intrepid. Look, in Legos. Milton will love this. No, it says, please do not touch.
Why?
It's made out of Legos. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, I love it. Qué lindo. Mira, todo
How much is
hecho de
it?
Legos.
How much is it?
Yo no sé.
$5.
Mira qué grande es. So big. Tú ves. ¿Te gusta? This is so cool. Look at this. Look, let's turn around. Let's go around.
I'm so tired.
Sorry, this is a slumber party. You're gonna be up all night. This is the Intrepid in World War II. Wow, look at that beauty. It says Intrepid has undergone many major changes since her commissioning in 1943. This model depicts Intrepid as she appeared during World War II. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. You just touch the screen and it begins. And this one is Intrepid in the Cold War. This model shows the ship's configuration as it would have been in the 1960s through her decommissioning in 1974 and largely reflects Intrepid's appearance today.
Wow.
Look at this humongous propeller. It's so big. It says here, Intrepid's 4 propellers move the ship through the seas. Intrepid could reach maximum speeds approaching 32 knots or more than 37 miles per hour. Today, aircraft carriers, the ships of the Nimitz class, travel about the same speed.
Oh my God. Look.
Yes, show your moves. There you go. That's right. Let's go. Keep going. Turn around. Yes, yes. I love those moves. In the Intrepid. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Show me your moves. Come on. Come on. Show me, show me. Uh-huh. Show me. You gonna show me gymnastics? Go ahead. You go, girl. Oh, be careful, my baby. So George Washington was the first one to fly this plane, and it had a nickname called Turkey. The Avenger, Roman Avenger, first flown in 1941 and introduced operation in June 1942. North American Aviation Fury. Woman built the Intrepid, and it took them a year and a half. All right, we're gonna go outside now.
Why?
Oh, because she's gonna show us the flight deck.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
The flight deck.
I want to go outside?
Hmm?
Go outside.
Yeah, we're gonna go outside now.
on the Intrepid?
Give me your hand.
Whoa, it's talking.
Yeah, it's dark. It's dark over here. What is this?
Look.
What is this? This is the Skyhawk, right? Okay, give me that. Hold it for you. Go in there. Okay, say cheese. Intrepid, come on. This is the cockpit. This is the signal light. Thalia, look at this. This is where the close quarters was. This is where they would sleep. In the Intrepid. Isn't this cool? Oh, look at this. Look, you gotta do this, the signal. Look at that. Isn't that cool? The need for space. Look at that. Look at this. You wanna sit over here? Sit in there. Look at this. The need for space. This is the Gemini Capsule. Look at this. Coming home. The astronauts, right? Look at this. This is the early NASA spacecraft landed in the ocean.
Opening it.
Oh, look at this. Go in there. Landing challenge. Wow. This is so cool. Touch that stick.
Move the stick forward to step through the skill level.
Wait, stop.
Move the stick forward to step through the skill levels. Then press Welcome aboard. I'm Roger, and I'll be your instructor.
Welcome on board.
You've chosen the
This is so cute.
skill level.
This is cool.
A more realistic
This is so cool. Yeah? Do that. That's cool. Follow what he's doing. It says pilots need to land safely aboard Intrepid. Yes, do that. Very good. Keep doing it. During World War II, the landing signal officer stood near the landing area on the flight deck. He waved brightly colored paddles to let the pilot know if he was on the right path for safe landing. Yes, let's go. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. Look at the telephones back in the day. See? They would use this to dial people. See that? Take the helm. Do you like this big, humongous ship?
Yeah, can you buy one?
No, I can't.
How much it is?
It's too much. Look, this was the primary cubby vessel for NASA. This is a jet engine.
What? Serious go.
Ready, set, go.
Serious go.
Ready, set, go. Let's go.
Sit. I still water.
Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. It's cold over here, right? It's frío. Oh, look at this.
No, not.
Look at that. They have treats for us. Look, apple. Yeah.
Mommy, serious go.
Ready, set, go.
Let's go, John. Let's go, John, sir. Steady course on, sir. Go on.
Go, sit over here. Steering. Crew members use yokes to steer the submarine left and right. Steer it. Look, they used to play with these things. These are huge tokens. It says the mess. Not the kind of mess. The mess on a submarine is an area used for many things.
Good job.
Oh, what is this? Engine. This was the engine. Block challenge. Look at this. Look, you could do this block challenge. No, this this is the challenge. Challenge level 1. Can you build a rocket? So you gotta build a rocket. See that? Go inside. Try to see if you fly that thing. Si lo maneja. Alright. You want to go lay down now?
No.
Okay, let's go lay down.
Where?
At our bed.
Okay.
Okay. Look at this. 4D motion experience.
Mommy.
Mira lo que dice aquí. Submerged. Humongous, yes, baby. Come on. Flying metals. Look at this. This is all the type of different metals that they use.
Leaders of both parties united behind the president, grant him all powers necessary to carry out our commitment to the plan.
Oh, look at that. Eso está muy bonito. Flight suit and helmet in the 1966. Wow.
Okay, let's go to sleep.
Okay, let's go to bed. We did enough today.
U.S. retaliation for communist PT boat attacks on the high seas.
Come on, let's go. My little dancer. Mira. Navy side chair. This is the Navy side chair. This is the Martin Baker Mark V ejection seat. This is the ready room chair. This is the dental chair. And this is the Highline chair. The aluminum Highline chair provided a way of people to move between ships at sea.
Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Hit the like button, subscribe for more fun, and be sure to hit the notification bell.